Welcome to My Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related issues. We are back with yet another how-to video, and today we'll be discussing how we can record a Zoom meeting on Windows 10. Recording a Zoom meeting is a helpful way to stay organized. Being able to refer back to important information at any given moment is almost like having a digital notebook on hand to offer help when you need it. Here's what you need to do to record a Zoom meeting. So at first you need to open up Zoom and start a meeting. I had already scheduled a meeting earlier, so I will just click on Start. Now in the meeting, find your control bar at the bottom of the window and click on the Record button, the round button with a circle around it right here. You'll get a notification telling you that the meeting is being recorded. You can stop recording anytime by pressing on the pause or stop recording, the square button with two lines that is pause, or a box that's stop in it. Once the meeting is over, it will automatically save as an MP4 file that you can access on your computer or within your Zoom account. To find it, navigate to your meetings page. Instead of upcoming, click recorded. You'll find your recorded meetings there. The file will probably automatically be titled the date of the meeting or ABC's Zoom meeting, but you can change it to whatever will help you find it when you need it. So that's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.